Today, I have signed a stay-at-home order for the entire state of North Carolina.
Ooh, new Clawhammer video.
Again.
Hope they got Brad Pitt to play me.
Here alone. I've been alone for 3 weeks. Feel like we should still be making videos.
You're not really alone, man.
Okay, I'm not alone totally, entirely. Ross is here, everybody. You all know Ross.
Yes, they do.
It's gonna be a little different than normal, but that's fine. We're all in this together, which is why we're brewing this all together IPA. Worldwide collaboration brewed to support the hospitality professionals. We'll have the recipe on our website, or you can go to alltogether.beer. What we are going to do is donate any money that we make on this particular video down in the comment section. Let us know what you think we should do with the money we make from this video. And for once, we'll listen to what you guys say.
Double crack that grain, bro.
Jesus Christ, damn it. Could you just stop breathing that much?
Oh, what? Oh, dude, come on.
Okay. Not sick, just very dusty. At least we should all be prepared for this. Just pop out your quarantine mask and get back to it. I'm going to pull these grains out. I'm going to pull these grains out now by myself. In all honesty, you want to pull the grains up, let some of the water drain through, and then you can pop it up and get the hooks under here. You're doing this by yourself. If you try to pull a whole basket full of grains and water, and you're not an animal, you're going to have problems. Stop. I'm not going to overboil this one like I've done all the rest of them. First hop 60-minute edition is going to be Columbus 1/4 ounce, small but meaningful edition. Okay, 0.25 ounces in the hop spider, which is not out here. Coming in hot. All right. You know what? Before we do this, I have a special surprise for you guys. We have another guest on this program. On this episode. Walk up a little bit of a limp there. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright, thanks for joining us. So you're going to put the hops in for us. I do have one question before we move forwards. This beer is 6%. I drink roughly 10 a day. That's 60% alcohol. That is enough to sterilize me from the inside, correct?
No, that's actually a terrible idea. See, the thing is that by drinking, you lower your
Okay,
immune
now just
system.
let's get the
And
hops.
that's why.
This beer is a 6% ABV beer. ABV, 6% ABV beer. It's for a good cause. The audience is going to choose where the proceeds go from this video. They're gonna they're gonna comment. We'll fix that in post, right? Oh, we don't have a budget for post. Okay, great. Thanks for coming. All right, thanks again, Dr. Brewski. That was great. Setting a timer now for 60 minutes. hops are in. All right, hops are. All right, whirlpool hops are in, and we're gonna wait for 15 minutes. Okay, whirlpool is done. Your cooling water is on. Cool this thing down to, I don't know, 70-ish. Get my sanitizer solution ready. We're doing this, folks.
What's he doing with those hoses? Put the pump down.
Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. I have one more special guest for y'all. It's actually a celebrity guest, our first celebrity guest on the program. It is my good friend live from Summit County,
Hey, you know it?
Joe Exotic.
Yeah, that's right. It's me in the flesh.
Joe, we're brewing this all together beer today. You heard that one?
Oh, hip to the no.
You don't not a beer drinker or what's going on?
I mainly drink Tiger's Blood.
Oh, Tiger's Blood. Okay.
No, I'm just kidding. Mainly, it's just a Diet Mountain Dew Cut Red.
You're in jail still, right? You reading good books lately? What's going on with you?
Oh, I don't know how to read too well. On top of the fact that after I had this eyebrow piercing in for about 35 years, my left eye's basically dang near completely blind.
Yeah.
But I do have I've got one of the Oprah Book Club books that I've been reading here.
Yeah.
I don't know, have you ever heard of The Diary of Carol Baskin? It's a juicy, sordid story of love and betrayal and murder. All right, I gotta get back. We're about to start braiding each other's hairs.
Okay, man.
All right, baby.
Cool, see you.
Love and kiss.
No. Great job. Great job. You did it. I bet. Great job, buddy.
Yep, I know. I always do a great job.
Crush it, bud. It's funny that you mentioned that because I've stopped drinking water too. For me, mostly it's been just PBW and Star Sand, like 50-50. I feel like that does the best job of blocking out the 5G waves. This stuff is delicious. I've been drinking quite a bit of these as well, and you know what? I don't think Dr. Brewski knew what she was talking about. But I think things are probably back to normal by now, right? I mean, this was all supposed to be over by Easter.
I'd love to have it open by Easter. Okay, I would love to have
First
it.
of all, doctor, no. First of all, mannequin dressed up as a doctor. I'm not even sure we had that conversation. Second of all, I've been feeling great. Of course, we haven't gone outside in a month. Anyway, I think we should probably remind the folks that they should comment below and let us know what they think we should do with the money we generate from the funds that we make on this altogether.beer video. We had a lot of fun brewing it, and the beer turned out great. And we appreciate everybody watching this video. In all seriousness, the beer turned out great. We hope you all are doing well. And again, like, subscribe, and tell whoever you're trapped in your house with to check out this video and let us know what we should do with the funds we generate. Thanks for watching. Thanks. Again, thank you. Thanks for watching. See ya.